Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineAutosports.com and RedlineMuscleCars.com. This is our 1970 Palisade Green GTO. Previous owner added the judge stripes and I think they look great. It's got the front and rear spoiler. Awesome numbers matching WT 350 horse 400. It is a factory 4-speed car. Original floors, trunk, quarters. No rust ever on this car. Very solid, very nice. Gorgeous paint. Really nice chrome. Basically everything is very nice on this old girl. Hey y'all. It shines like a mirror. It is gorgeous. Brand new Cobra Radial GTs. Brand new paint, brand new judge striping. Number matching car. Like I said earlier. Palisade Green is code 4545. Power disc brakes, power steering, no air. It's got the 614 heads, which is Ram Air 4 heads. Go ahead, babe. Dual snorkel breather. Really nice paint and all the jams. We've got the factory original build sheet, and I also ordered the VHS. You can leave it in neutral if you like and hop out so I can show them the seat, babe. Leave it in neutral. Put it in neutral. Original dash pad is in great shape. Original door panels, original seat covers. It's got new carpet. Very nice headliner. Really nice door jams, like I said. Doors shut excellent. Let me show that again. Look at the gaps. Shut really well. No cracks in the front bumper at all. Factory rivets right there on the VIN. 242370Z 100553. The partial VIN on the block is 20Z 100553. It is the original numbers matching motor, original steering wheel, 4-speed, really beautiful car. Factory tack, factory turn on the instrumentation, AM/FM cassette that somebody's installed, no air. Holding 60 pounds oil pressure and idling at 140 degrees. It's got kick panel speakers, both sides. Showing 68,455. Car's too old for a Carfax, so I have no idea what the actual mileage is. But it's an awesome car. Remote mirror. How well this door shuts. All your hood lines line up right, all your windows roll up and down easily. Fantastic reflection. split exhaust. Check us out at redlinemusclecars.com, redlineautosports.com. Here's this other y'all have a blessed and awesome day.